Summary of VLDL. We all know that VLDL particles are formed from liver. We are dealing with endogenous lipids. So whenever I have to distribute endogenous lipids, I do it via VLDL particles. So the starting place where the VLDL is produced is the liver. So what happens in the liver? Liver basically packs the free fatty acids which came down during fasting and were dumped into the liver. Along with that, it also transports cholesterol esters. We all know that liver is the prime regulator for cholesterol. So you're going to form a nascent VLDL particle with the apoprotein B100 and of course MTP, macrosomal transfer protein. So cholesterol esters and triglycerides together are assembled with the help of ApoB100 and macrosomal transfer protein to form a nascent VLDL particle. You can see that in the picture, which is released from liver. Once nascent VLDL is in circulation, it has to become mature. So how do you mature a VLDL particle? Again, same process. Your HDL comes into picture. You can see the picture here. HDL is going to donate ApoC and ApoE to nascent VLDL to become mature VLDL. So once the mature VLDL is in circulation, it can be acted upon by peripheral lipoprotein lipase. Lipoprotein lipase, with the help of ApoC2, will start breaking down the triglycerides present in the VLDL particles to release fatty acids and glycerol. All the fatty acids are picked up by the peripheral tissues, and glycerol goes back to the liver. The only place where the glycerol goes is to the liver. We all know that. Why? Because glycerol is a water-soluble molecule and it